Teachers use a document camera or a mobile device, and they capture handwritten work. It's instantly scored and paired with clear rubric-based feedback like, add more explanation. After each piece of evidence, explain how it shows Louisa's courage and how it changes how she sees herself. It's immediate, specific, and students want to dive right back in to make their work better. And teachers stay in the loop, stepping in whenever support is needed. This tool will also work for STEM subjects like science and math, allowing students to write out work naturally without fighting digital drawing tools or equation entry. And teachers can capture it in seconds for rubric-based scoring and immediate student feedback. It'll make daily math practice easier than ever with great data and feedback so students can make corrections and retry. Another popular all-in-learning practice tool is AI Writing Workshop. Students write a draft, then receive immediate feedback with specific tips like start with a clear introduction that states what big text is and why it's important. It's specific. It sparks ideas. Students revise right away. They get more feedback, and they grow with each draft. Teachers have a bird's eye view to spot the students who may need help most and connect with them. All-in-Learning's AI has scored over 7 million essays, and teachers report that when students get a low score from AI, they don't take it personally.